are Chorus 1, Hunter Young. Chorus 2, Kaylee Almendarez. Chorus 3, Jonah Galloway. Chorus 4, Camden Ralph. Chorus 5, Hallie Wacklehorse. Chorus 6, Trenton Dancaster. Zeus, Mason Schneider. Kira, Sky Krenzel. Poseidon, Connor Eastman. Hades, Garrett Jacobs. Demeter, Kylie Shear. Hestia, Natalie Burdick. Hebe, Brianna Little. Apollo, Gage Standback. Artemis, Courtney Kitchen. Athena, Caitlin Summer. Hephaestus, Landon Ayers. Aphrodite, Christopher Clear. Hermes, Noah Fullerton. Aries, Dane Tucker. Whoa. And Dionysus, Ethan Coakley. This is Gutterman's 4th grade class presents the Gods and Goddesses Bake Off.
High above the clouds on Mount Olympus, the highest mountain in Greece, lived the gods and goddesses who controlled all that happened on earth.
Leader of them all was Zeus, king of the gods and goddesses. He sat upon his throne with his wife Hera at his side.
They were dining on ambrosia from the gods.
Washing it down with nectar of the drink of the gods.
You know, Hera, I've been thinking. What is it, dear? I'm tired of ambrosia. I'm serious. Day in and day out, it's always the same thing. Ambrosia nectar, ambrosia nectar. It's time for a change. What do you suggest, dear? A gods and goddess bake-off! That's fine, dear, but there's one problem. What's that? We change the seasons, calm the seas, send people to the underworld, but there's one thing the gods and goddesses can't do. They can't bake. They've never had a chance, have they? Let's give it a try. So Zeus summoned all the gods and goddesses to his palace. He instructed them all to bring a cake that they baked themselves. Welcome all. I hope you had fun baking. I am looking forward to sampling your creations. I too have baked, and I know you will enjoy my contribution. Let's start with mine, of course. Bring it out, servants. Honey, it's gigantic. What do you expect from the king of the gods? Well, let's have some. Oh no, you must not cut it. It will be ruined. Well, we have to have something to eat, but since I'm the goddess of this marriage, I will not fight. Poseidon, what have you brought?
Here's my creation, brother.
That's good. Let's have a taste. Ick, this is too watery.
Of course it's water. I'm the god of the sea.
Hades, Hades, my brother, have you brought cake?
Here, it's great, huh?
Oh, it's black. Interesting for a cake. Let's have a taste. Look, this is burned.
Well, what do you expect from god of the underworld?
Hebe, my daughter, bring me a drink. Quick, nectar. You see nectar, Father. Here's some lemonade. Lemonade. Sweet, tart, delicious. And if I only had some delicious cake to go with it. Let's try another. Sample mine, brother. It's full of healthy grains and ripe fruits. Yuck! This cake is too good for me. I don't like my cakes to be good for me, even though you are the gods of harvest. Come, sister, I have a nice fire going in the fireplace. You can relax there.
I can always count on you, Hestia. You truly are the goddess of the hearth and home.
Apollo, my son, play us a tune.
Of course, father. How about this drunky number?
Lovely. Now where's Artemis, my daughter? Come on, Dad. just for the occasion. Athena, my dear, no wonder you are both the goddess of wisdom and arts and crafts. You are both smart as well as talented.
Oh, please, you said big, not big. Pottery.
Aries, my son, that's not start a fight.
What do you expect? I'm the god of war.
Why must we fight? Love is all we need.
Oh, that's what I mean, Aphrodite. You, the goddess of love. Here's my cake, Father.